Aruma rugendo rwa muthiana rwa gutea mutigaire Senator Boniface Kabaka gwake muciĩ mwena wa Machakos. Igogona riria rikubetwo riri ni atongoria ikiro itiganite magitongorio ni munini wa President William Ruto. Family yake ikimukũrana ta muciari uraigite nyumba yake mbere ya maundu mangĩ mothe.
Na ni mtu ambaye alikuwa mjasiri, anaongea na nguvu ya kutetea haki ya watu wetu. Tutamkosa sana. Tunamwambia he's done a good job and it is sad that he's gone, but we'll always remember him.
Otamutugo ateti magarura igogona riri na kuletua gitumiro kia uteti thegi ya korio matikahure uteti. Sonko ona kanya ga kuruturura maruru make thutha wa kuonio murango ni Senate kuria nake Moses Kuria karagire na make ate kumenya thutha wa kuingirira uteti wa ikamba-ini.
This government is eating its own Jubilee members and finishing its own Jubilee members, including Sonko, but the person who is carrying the knife is James Orengo. Yeye ndio anashikilia kisu ndio atumalize.
Politicians come here and they take us back to tribe. Tribe E, tribe ile, tribe E na nini. If the politics we are promoting are politics of tribe, we are doomed. And anybody who talks about politics of tribe is, if there is this English word, dooming Kenya.
Munini wa President William Ruto agituranira na atongoria age goikia rita na kwi muingi kwaga kugayukanio ni ateti kuria ninge magathiriirie Kabaka ta mutongoria urari njamba.
Let us unite this country. Let us work together. Let us avoid the politics of insult and the politics of ethnicity and division, things that have been the bane of our country. Kenya imerudi nyuma siku nyingi kwa sababu ya fikra ya matusi na fikra ya ukabila ambayo inarudisha taifa letu nyuma. I beg you as leaders, let us rise up to the occasion and be leaders of Kenya.
Kabaka akwiria kiamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Nairobi igikuo giake gigitanywo kwarahura uteti muhio gicigo-ini kia ikamba-ini thiini wa mwaka ukite hindi ya githurano kinini.